Hi there, ladies and gents. So today I'm coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul and a few items from Walmart because I don't have enough for a full Walmart haul, and I have a Dollar Tree haul. So I'll show you the 3 things I picked up. Well, 4, but I'm not going to show you the 4th one. Things I picked up from Walmart first. Which are just 3 items, well 4, but don't have to show the 4th item because it's the same as another item. And that item is another Almay, however you want to pronounce it, eyeshadow quad, and it looks like this. It's like a nice bronzy palette, and it's called Pure Gold Baby. And in a previous video I had shown this one, Never Settle, Saddle. So they're, one's more neutrally, so this is like perfect, like wearing eyeshadow but not wearing eyeshadow at the same time. And then this is like really bronzy gold, which is really pretty. And I had picked up both of these 2 different times. I picked up this one and an exact match for this one for 50 cents because I had a coupon, and these were like $2.50, and then I had $2 off coupons, so these made them for 50 cents a piece. So that's an awesome deal. And I also picked up matches of those for a gift. And then the next thing I picked up, which has 2 stickers. The sticker I paid for it was $1, and the original price was $6.67. And it's just the Maybelline Gunmetal lipstick. I guess it's it's like a bluish gray. In one light it looks blue, and then another light it looks gray. So, yeah. Let's do what it looks like on my lips, huh? Oh, that is pretty. It's like a nice greenish blue color. It's not sticking inside because I didn't matte it or dry my lips off first, so it's probably had a little bit of damp in there, on there. Yeah, I really like that. I'm going to keep this on for the rest of the video. Anyway, the last thing I picked up from Walmart was the Sweet Escape by Hask Tokyo Cool Deep Conditioner, Neon Lights, City of Style, and silky hair. Smells like cherry blossom season, and that's why I picked it up, because I was hoping, you know, that's one of my dream destinations to travel to if ever I travel out of the US is to go to Japan. So Japan and China are my two top wanting to see places. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out on my hair probably tomorrow. And if I like it, I'll pick up a few more packs to go. Anyway, let's get into Dollar Tree. Yes, my name is Mary and I'm a Dollar Tree addict. So let's get started. I'm going to pull things out and then I'll start talking. So let's see, the first I had picked up these two bandanas in a baby pink and a mint green. And what I do with my hair so that it looks vintage is I'll put my hair up sometimes and put a bandana around it and then curl my bangs to give me the Betty bangs. So I didn't have these colors, so I figured I would add these to my collection of bandanas. The rest of the items are really cool. I don't know if I'll use it, but I want to change up my hair. I want to give it a little bit of a rose gold color, but I figured also I'm not really allowed to do fashion colors, so it's like I'm hoping that maybe this might give me a little bit of a strawberry blonde coloring too. So the Dollar Tree that I went to had a whole bunch of the LOreal Colorista stuff, so I picked up the LOreal Colorista Semi-Permanent Color for bleached, light blonde, or highlighted hair. Lasts 4 to 8 shampoos, and it's called Peach 100. So I picked up that, and the color looks like that. So I don't know. And then they also had the Colorista Clear Mixer. So I guess you put this and this together instead of putting this with conditioner like some people do. So I picked up those. And then I also picked up the Colorista Fading Shampoo. Shampooing, I guess, helps wash out color. So I picked up that. And then I picked up this one, which is the Summer Lights Hair Lightening Gel. Natural Sun-Kissed Glow with, I guess it's kind of like Sun-In, only for adults. And I finally read the instructions, and you're not supposed to use it on color-treated hair. So it's like, if you're dark hair, like natural hair, and then progressively goes, like your hair has to be natural, and then it'll start fading it. So yeah, that was a bummer. No, whatever. I may use it, may pass it on, I'm not sure. And the last two items, they finally brought back the brow tint by LA Colors, and I used the brow tint in dark blonde for my brows. So I picked up one at one point, and then they disappeared on me, and now they brought them back, so I bought two, so that, yeah, I have backups. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye!